As affected by Tropical Storm Lion Rock, the strong wind signal number 3 is now in force, and it is expected to remain in force this afternoon and overnight tonight. At 11 a.m., Lion Rock was estimated to be about 620 kilometers southwest of Hong Kong and is forecast to move north at about 10 kilometers towards the vicinity of Hainan Island. Under the combined effects of Lion Rock and the northeast monsoon, winds are generally strong over the coast of southern China, with occasional gale offshore and on high ground. From satellite imagery, we see that the cloud band associated with Lion Rock are affecting the coast of Guangdong and also the northern part of the South China Sea. And the associated ring bands from the latest satellite imagery also show that the ring bands swept across the coastal region from time to time, bringing persistent and widespread heavy rains to the regions. So the Hong Kong Observatory also issued the black rainstorm warning signal at 11:45 a.m. this morning. And meanwhile, landslip warnings, special announcement on flooding in the northern New Territories, and thunderstorm warnings are also in force at the same time. There are also rough seas with swells, so members of the public should stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. Besides, storm surge induced by Lion Rock and heavy rains may lead to flooding in low-lying areas, and members of the public should be on the alert and take precautions against strong winds and flooding. For the rainfalls, we see that over 100 millimeters of rainfall were generally recorded over many places of Hong Kong since midnight, and rainfall over some of the areas even over 200 millimeters. For the weather forecast today, there will be strong easterly winds and occasionally gale offshore and on high grounds, cloudy with squalls, heavy rains and thunderstorms. Seas will be rough with swells. For the outlook, it will still be windy with heavy rain and squalls from Saturday to Sunday at first. Seas will also be rough with swells. Shower will ease off later on Sunday, and the weather will improve in the following couple of days, slightly cooler in the morning, and it will be dry.